Okay, so if I take 110, multiply it by 12, multiply it by 7.294, and divide it by I end up with a number that is 28,555 psi. So this one is 28,555 psi. That's an 8. That takes care of that one. The bottom one, just do exactly what it says. Multiply those two and divide it by those two. And when you do that, you end up with, let's see, make sure I got everything right. I do. 2949. There's FV. There's FB. And that's the end. So we walked through the problem from beginning to the end. This is going to be, you're going to have this on a test right here. You're going to have one problem. You're going to have this on a test right here, figuring out the stresses. And you're also going to have on the test, figuring out the moments. So you're going to have basically 4 problems on the test are right in this problem. One is finding out the properties, and I'm going to ask for the 4 of them. C, B, I, and Q. It's one problem. Second problem is taking the loading diagram, figuring out the M and the V. So you got to have those guys down. So that'll give you the properties there. So one problem is figuring out properties associated with this. The second problem is figuring out the shear and moment. And the third problem is going to be finding the stresses based on the data. Okay, so hopefully that helps. I'm going to do one more. We're going to put a little pause in this for a second while I create one of your homework problems that you seem to have problems with. We'll run through that quick, and then I'll move on to the next unit.